Hi everyone, this is Sem Sundar from Design Choice Interiors. We are back with another completed projects in HSR Layout. Today I am walking you through the space that blends luxury, tradition and modern design like never before. This living room is a perfect example of how marble, modern design and spiritual elements can come together in harmony. We have created a Serene Puja corner using pure marble. Minimal, divine and absolutely peaceful, right in the heart of home. This elegant marble wall adds a sense of timeless richness to the living room, making the space feels open and upscale. Now take a look at this TV unit. Sleek, bold and luxurious. Every detail from texture to lighting is designed to elevate your viewing experience. This bedroom features elegant wooden panels and soft lighting. Creates a cozy and modern vibe, the perfect blend of style and comfort. This modern bookshelf features a rich wooden texture paired up with a deep green backdrop, creating a cozy yet elegant workspace. The master bedroom is designed with modern and clean look using soft tones and wooden accents. A comfy king-size bed, sleek wardrobe and cozy reading corner make it both stylish and functional. We have used layered lighting with a calm and relaxing vibe, perfect for who loves minimalism with a modern touch. Step into this sleek and modern kitchen, where design meets functionality. The highlight? Premium lacquered glass shutters, smooth, glossy and effortlessly stylish. Not just beautiful to look at. Lacquered glass is durable, easy to clean and adds luxurious finish to your kitchen. Perfectly paired with minimal hardware and soft lighting. This kitchen redefines modern elegance. This bedroom is built for both comfort and character. The full height wardrobe melt into the walls, making the space feels wide and clean. Trophies, posters and details bring out of the story of the person who lives here.